In this video, I'll show you how to add Venmo card to your Apple Wallet. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Alright, so with your Venmo card added to your Apple Wallet, now you can make contactless payments using your iPhone or Apple Watch at stores that accept contactless payments, right? So this eliminates the need to carry your physical Venmo card everywhere. So how do we do it? There's two steps involved on this. First is you need to log into your both accounts on Venmo and on your Apple Wallet. So right now I'm on Venmo.com, but I suggest you open your mobile device and log into the app, right? And once you are there, let's go here using your Venmo credit card. All right. So you can use your Venmo credit card everywhere where credit cards are accepted, including within the Venmo app. And the basically, so here is where you can add your Venmo credit card to another virtual wallet. All right. You can add your Venmo credit card to a virtual wallet like Samsung Pay, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. And if you have any questions about adding your card, please reach out to the specific virtual wallet provider, which is the Apple Pay. Now we hover now to Apple Pay support. So this is how you add your Venmo card. So log into your Apple Pay. And in the wallet app, tap the Add Plus button right here. Right? Now tap debit or credit card to add a new card. This one, debit or credit card, and tap previous cards to add a card that you used previously. Now here in debit or credit card, you will need to enter the Venmo card number and tap continue. Follow these steps on the screen to add a new card. Verify your information with their bank or card issuer. They might ask you to provide more information or to download an app before approving your card for use with Apple Pay. And if you have a paired Apple Watch, you have the option to also add the card to your watch. All right. Please take note that eligible card issuers will also allow you to connect your account to view transaction details and account information in the wallet app. And that's for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.